Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Binging with Babish, where this week it's Groundhog Day, so we're taking a look at the angel food cake disgustingly eaten by one of my favorite actors in one of my favorite movies of all time, Groundhog Day.
Hello, and welcome to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I'm your host, Uncle Bill, and this is my kitchen. Today, I'm excited because I get to make a beautiful sweet dessert. And as I've been trying to lower the circle around my waist, I haven't been eating a whole lot of sweets lately, and because the wife is feeling a little under the weather, I thought it'd be a great chance for me to make some beautiful angel food cake. I know this chef on YouTube. Perhaps you know him as well. His name is Babish, and he makes amazing food online. One of his recipes, which I really love, is his angel food cake. He copied something from a Groundhog Day, I believe was the name of the movie. And in any event, I'm going to be making his recipe for you today. It's beautiful, simple, and delicious. You're going to love it. Stay tuned.
Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen.
One key important ingredient in this recipe is going to be the castor sugar. Now, castor sugar is this really fine ground up sugar that's a little different than your normal tea sugar or coffee sugar, and I don't have any of that castor sugar in my house. So one trick that I like to use is take the same sugar that you normally use for your coffee, throw it in a food processor, and pulse it until you get the consistency of that castor sugar. That's what I'm going to show you how I do it here. Now, I deviated here from Babish's recipe because I didn't have any parchment paper on hand, and also I watched a video with Martha Stewart, and when she made her angel food cake, she took the actual meringue out of the mixing bowl and placed it into a separate bowl to mix and fold all of those ingredients together. Now, Martha Stewart is pretty much the goddess when it comes to cooking and baking, so I'm going to follow her lead on this. All right, let's keep going. Now this next part is key. We're going to slowly and gently fold this mixture together in with the meringue, okay? We're going to go down the center, around the outside, and then back again. Slow. Turn the bowl a quarter of the way, down the center, around the outside, fold. Keep doing that until you've got a nice clean layer of meringue at the top, and then add some more of that ingredients that we're going to be putting, the sugar, the flour, and so on.
Thank you for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to receive updates on future episodes as they come out. Also consider becoming a Patreon, or if you'd like, purchase me a cup of coffee. Links in the description below.